Look at this face. Watch as time ruthlessly steals youth, second by second, until nothing but ash and memory remains. We are told this is natural. We are told this is the unbreakable law of biology. But what if it's not? What if aging isn't a law of physics, but a genetic program? A program that thousands of years ago was somehow switched off. Welcome to Timeless Anomalies. Today, we are investigating the greatest glitch in human history, the lost norm of biological immortality. Ancient texts from across the world share a terrifying and fascinating detail. Humans used to live for centuries. Historical records state that one ancient patriarch lived for 969 years. Another reached 962 years, while the survivor of the Great Flood lived for 950 years. The first recorded man supposedly lived to be 930 years old, while others in his lineage lived for 912, 910, 895, 777, and 365 years. For modern science, these numbers are considered a mistranslation or a myth, but nature tells a very different story. Look outside our species. A baobab tree lives for 2,000 years, and a giant sequoia can stand for 3,000 years. A sea turtle can easily live for a century and a half. Even elephants and parrots can reach up to 100 years of age. The question is not whether extreme longevity is biologically possible. The question is, what exactly is stopping the human body from using its full potential? Modern geneticists are finally beginning to hack the code. Researchers have discovered that the descendants of extreme long livers demonstrate a significantly lower frequency of harmful mutations. Genetic analysis has already identified 35 specific genes with a reduced frequency of these mutations, with 14 confirmed by independent data. These are genes directly related to the metabolism of hyaluronic acid, mitochondrial translation, and post-translational protein modification. But to truly understand the anomaly of time, we have to stop measuring age the wrong way. Right now, scientists use epigenetic clocks to measure our biological age, but these clocks only measure your deviation from the average, and this average is just a hospital average. An average biological age says absolutely nothing about how far a specific organism is from its own maximum potential. We need to stop measuring the distance to disease and start measuring the distance to our own physical peak. For example, the human heart reaches its peak condition around 23 years of age. By the time a person is 48, they may have lost 15% of that maximum capacity. This brings us to the ultimate paradox of human time. Aging is not synchronous. In the exact same body, the kidneys might match your chronological age, the heart might be 5 years older, but your vocabulary and accumulated experience are still growing. The speed of processing new information and working memory decline early, right after 30. However, everything related to experience and crystallized knowledge holds strong until 55 and beyond. The same human brain is simultaneously growing younger in one aspect and aging in another. Are we broken machines, or are we simply operating on a corrupted timeline? The anomaly is in our blood. The countdown is real, but perhaps the clock can be reset. Subscribe to Timeless Anomalies and never stop questioning your reality.